Alright, real quick, gonna do a quick video on making a cache. I'm gonna make 2 of them, and they're gonna be, both of these are Schedule 40 PVC 4-inch pipe. Of course, the 4-inch fittings to fit. One will have a plug in it, a test plug, and one will, which that's my favorite thing to use, and one will have a clean out cap on it. I will be using Rain and Shine medium blue PVC cement. It does excellent. If stuff is a little bit damp, it doesn't matter. It'll still weld that PVC together real good. I use that at work all the time. Anyway, you can store just about anything in these things. As long as it'll fit, you can stick it in there. The good thing about these is that if they're easy to hide. If you're burying them, I mean, you only have to bury them 6 inches deep, a couple of inches of dirt on top. I mean, the easy digging for burying, easy to just roll and hide under something. Anyway, they are excellent for storage. A cache, excellent for storage. Anyway, let's get started here. Excuse me while I fumble around and put this down. All right. All right, I'm going to do the bottoms first. Kind of twist it and hold it for about 10 seconds. Now this one, now see, that'll be waterproof, completely waterproof. There's no water gonna get in that. You could actually throw this in a lake when I'm done with it, and no water's gonna get in there. A 4-inch tester plug, that you twist this and that rubber expands and seals this off. There's no water getting in or out, period. Now the reason I like this is because in a bad situation, you don't have a tool to open the clean out cap. This thing here, you can take a rock or something and hit it and loosen it up and just unloosen it. Now that'll fit right on that edge, just like that. That's it. Now that's watertight. Watertight. Sorry about that. I wanted to check the time. That's awesome. This is my favorite one. All right. we'll do the bottom first. Bad thing about buying a small can, you only need a small can. Bad thing about buying the small can, though, it has this little cotton ball thing on it. It's just too small. Just too small to get anything done quick. Twist and hold for about 10 seconds. Twist and hold. That's it. Now, screw this on. Now, these things are a pain sometimes to get on. You get it good and tight. And then what I would do is put a bead of silicone around this crack right here. Now this thing shouldn't let water in there, but this would ensure, putting a bead of silicone here would ensure that water would never get in there. Only problem with this one is you have to have a tool. You have to have a tool to get this open. Because once this thing sits for long, this is hard to get open, so you have to have a tool to get it open. Anyway, Schedule 40 PVC cash. And you just store anything in these things: ammo, food, tools, anything you need. Excellent. You can use 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, 2-inch, 1.5 inch, whatever it is you're storing will determine what size you need. Completely waterproof. Once this is siliconed here, be 100% waterproof. I prefer these. I prefer this all around. Absolutely no water getting in this one, period. And it's going to be easy to open and close. Quick and easy. You can use whatever's around, a rock, a stick, and break that loose. Hit it, break it loose, and unscrew it, and that's it. Anyway, a cache. Make you some up. Don't wait till you need them to try to make them now. We'll see you.